Ropes Organization Walcott Foundation Indian Trust Special Coaching to 8th, 9th and 10th classes Digital Virtual Learning Bangaru Palimani Rugangavar from Pedapunjani by Reddy Pulli Mandal.
Chairman Dhanasekaran. Director Drive Sri Lata.
Hi everyone, this is Umar from Ropes Organization. So today, in last class we discussed about the first question and second question in 11.3 in the 9th class. And today we discuss about the third question. So if you see this one, the height of the cone is 15 centimeters and its volume is 1570 centimeters cube. Find the radius of the base if pi is equal to 3.14. So if you see this given, first what they given, that's we have to write. See here, height of the cone, h is equal to 15 centimeters and volume b is equal to 1570 centimeters cube. Therefore 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to 1570 centimeters cube. Here 1 by 3 into 3.14 into r square into h 15 centimeters is equal to 1570 centimeters cube. So 3 ones are 3 5s are. Now that implies 3.14 into 5 into r square is centimeters is equal to 1570 centimeters cube. Now here 5 4s are 20, 5 1s are 5 plus 2, 7, 5 3s are 15. 15.70 r square centimeters is equal to 1570 centimeters cube. Now r square is equal to 1570 centimeters cube divided by 15.70 centimeters. Centimeter here square root. Ones are, hundreds are. So r square is equal to 100 centimeter square. R is equal to root of 100 centimeter square. R is equal to 10 centimeters. This is the radius of the base of the cone. Okay, so here what we observed, here when they are giving height 15 centimeters and volume 1570 centimeters cube. So the volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. That value 1570 centimeters cube they given. In this one, the pi value they said to take here 3.14. Then 1 by 3 into 3.14 into r square into h value 15 is equal to 1570 centimeters cube. Here 3 ones are 3 5s are 15. From this 3.14 into 5 into r square centimeters. So after simplifying this one, 15.70 r square centimeters is equal to 1570 centimeters cube. If we send that one, 15.70 ones are 15.70 hundreds are. So 100 square root is 10 centimeters. So therefore the radius of the base is 10 centimeters. Okay, so if they are giving these type of problems, then we have to solve like this only. Okay, now we will see next question. Question number 4. If the volume of the right circular cone of height 9 centimeters and so is 48 pi centimeters cube, find the diameter of the base. So here they given volume of the cone. When the height of the cone is 9 centimeters, then volume is 48 pi centimeters cube. From that they are asking to find the diameter of the base. Okay, so from this, how to find this type of problems? See here, question number 4 they given. First given we should write. See height of the cone, h is equal to 9 centimeters and volume of cone is equal to 48 pi centimeters cube. Okay, therefore 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to 48 pi. Then here pi cancel, pi cancel, then 1 by 3 into r square, here h value 9 centimeters is equal to 48 pi. 48 pi cancel, centimeters cube. Then 3 ones are 3 threes are, that implies 3 centimeters into r square is equal to 48 pi, 48 centimeters cube. From this r square is equal to 48 by 3 into centimeters cube by centimeter square. 3 ones are 3 16s are. So r square is equal to 16 centimeter square. Then r is equal to root of 16 centimeter square. Then r is equal to 4 centimeters. The square root of 16 centimeter square is 4 centimeters. Okay, so when they are giving the volume of the cone and some height 9 centimeters, from that radius 4 centimeters and diameter d is equal to 2r, that is equal to 2 into 4 centimeters, that is equal to 8 centimeters. D is equal to 8 centimeters. So that only they ask, we solve that. Okay, so this type of problems we have to solve like this only. Okay, so if you understand this one, please like and share this video. Thank you everyone.